Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch till the end of the reading. I'll be doing an oracle guidance reading specific to you all. So we'll be picking one card after we finish picking the cards here for your relationship, guys. This is the card, and for your career situation. And let's pick one card from the oracle guidance, the angel oracle guidance. So this is the card for y'all. And we'll be picking one card from these love messages, guys. So that is the love message from your person. So we will see what it is after we finish with these cards, Scorpios. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. We have Three of Spheres, Moon in reverse, and Four of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone really good. You are valued for your talents and skills, and you are working hard and you are really successful today. And people in your situation, they see you as an inspiration, guys, for them today. And maybe for some reasons you may see some delays or suspensions in your work. Maybe some projects may get delayed, or there may be some kind of obstacles you need to face or you need to overcome today. You may feel stressed or sad, confused or stuck to some thing, and you unable to make the right choice or move forward. But Scorpios, you need not worry if you can weather these storms, these times, these difficult situations. Maybe even in your relationship, you may feel really confused, don't know what to do or what is the right thing to do. Maybe because you may have a lot of arguments or misunderstandings with this person. But if you can just hold on, have that belief that this relationship may work, and maybe take time, wait instead of reacting. Maybe if you can be patient, waiting for things to resolve, you are going to see success, guys. Maybe this person will understand you, or maybe these troubles will resolve and you both will work towards a better understanding, and this relationship may indeed work for both of you. And even in your work situation, whatever difficulties that you're facing, your situation may resolve, guys, and you may see better opportunities for yourself and better things unfolding in your life. So let it be in your work or in your relationship, things are going to change for the better, and your reputation is going to grow, and people are going to see you as a successful person. So things are taking a positive turn for y'all, guys, Scorpios. So today you may see some problems, obstacles, but all that is going to change very soon for y'all, guys, and you are going to be really successful today in your situation. So that is what I see, guys, and there are extraordinary events waiting to take place. Just like I said, if you can just hold on, there are rare opportunities knocking you today in your life, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Five of Spheres. So this may be what you feel towards this person or what they feel towards you. Maybe you are what to say, striving really hard. Maybe you want this person, you love them, but you're working hard. That was what we saw with the previous cards. You have a relationship, but there may be some misunderstandings, troubles. But if you can just wait, that is what this card is also about. So, this does not point out to failure. Maybe there are some struggles, but if you can wait, you are going to overcome all that, guys, Scorpios. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Two of Spheres in reverse. So, in your work situation, guys, there are going to be some some news about something. Maybe it may be a positive news regarding some projects, or a beginning of a partnership or collaboration, or for some of you it may be something negative also, guys. Maybe some delays or suspensions, but there is some news reaching you in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your angel oracle guidance. It is let go. So this angel card just means letting go, releasing, or having that surrendering energy in our situation, guys. So we are often so conditioned to be in this way, to do things in a particular way, following a trend, because we have fear that we will stand out from other person. So that fear or that want we have to fulfill all that desires we have, that is what is driving us. And we believe that whatever things we possess are the mark for our success or happiness. But we need to understand that these things are there with us just to make our life more comfortable and just to assist us. But we should make better of our situation by sharing and using them to assist other people in our life, guys, to help it with the possessions we have. So we must give up the real attachment we have with the material possessions we have and live life helping others. Only then we will know the purpose of our life, guys, and we will see that happiness and peace fulfilling our heart when we help the people in our life, or friends or family, whoever are with us. So that is what this card means, guys. Letting go means not just letting go of that person, it just means letting go of that attachment, or on things, or on the people, or on a particular situation, whatever is holding us back from reaching that true purpose of our life, Scorpios. So that is the energy with this card, Scorpios. So let us see what is the love message for you all from your person. So, you love me like no other. So this person feels a deep connection with you all, guys, and they love you a lot. That is what this message is about, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.